Review Attenberg Efficio Plus pedestal fan review. You can see as they measured in the specification, the fan has two level. One is up to this height also you can adjust, and other is long, like with this one you can reduce the height. But this system is not seems to be so attractive or good with respect to that two level of height adjustments. Now in addition to remote control, here also manually you can control the performance, means you can control the speed and oscillation and switch off the fan. These are the different features. Manually is also available in back of this one. As far as this fan is concerned, the main features what they are claiming is it has, for oscillation, it has a separate BLDC motor. So the operation, if you are putting on oscillation, some power increase will be there. If you are not using oscillation, some power saving is also there. So we will see how much I am connecting this through a energy meter, so that you will get how much power is consuming, and now we will see how the system is performing with different speeds and oscillation. And this is the remote what they are giving for this particular fan. Now I am switching on this fan, and the speed is at 3, and it has a variable speed up to 5. At maximum speed you can see the power consumption is around 25 watts. I increase the speed to 6th level, and the power consumption is around 33 watt. Earlier it was 5th level speed. You can see the power here. Now I am going for oscillation. You can see power has increased from 33 watt to 35 watts. Now I am switching off the oscillation. Now you can see the power has reduced by 2 to 3 watts. Okay. Now the minimum speed, say 1, means just level 1, I have very less power consumption. At my level 1, power is just 2.6 without oscillation. This is with oscillation 5.2 watts. You can see 5.2 watts with oscillation at speed 1. This is at speed 2, 7.4 watts. At speed 2, you can see here speed 2, and with oscillation. Now without oscillation, that will reduce to 5 watts. Around 2.5 watt is taking for oscillation purpose. Now at speed 3, the power consumption is only 8.2 watts. With oscillation, it will increase to 10.7 watts. At speed 4, the power is around 15 watts, 14.9, 15 watts. That too, with oscillation, it will be around 17.5 watts. It will increase 2.6 watts to 2.5 watts when oscillation is applied. Now the speed is at 5. You can see the power consumption is just 27.5 with oscillation. Now without oscillation, it will reduce to 24 or 25, 2.6 watts approximately. Now we will go for final speed. Now the speed I gone for 6th level maximum speed. The power is only 33.2 watts. With oscillation, this power becomes 35.6 or 36 watts. That too at maximum speed. Now let us see. These are the technical features of this one. The main drawback of the system is, now I am interrupting the power because of some reasons. Power is put off because power has failed. Now the system is also off. When the power restores, that means when system is put on, the system for fan will not operate its own. You have to intervene in between. This is the main drawback of the system. Especially you cannot avoid 100% power failure in your residential appliances because you are depending upon electricity board supply. If any failure occur in midnight, you have to wake up and switch on the fan again for operation. Now I operated with this one. This is the main drawback. Even though I put this feedback on all their forums of Attenberg, they never addressed it, or they even not mind to reply for these queries. So the other features are good. There are two features I don't prefer is, one, this remote control operation. Main problem is power interruption. Again, manual intervention is required to restore the rotation or restore the operation. And other is, they are telling two level, you will anticipate some sliding arrangement. Instead of that, they are giving two limbs for connecting this one. As such, this system is not that advisable as far as this remote operation and other things are concerned. As far as the power consumption is concerned, is appreciable model. Yes, myself is Hari here, and I am giving a technical review on so-called Attenberg Effico Plus fan. I will not recommend this system with this smart remote, because any power failure invade your manual intervention to restore the operation. If such difficulty is there, it's not that worth to use the fan during when you are sleeping and other things. So this deficiency the company has not addressed. Even I communicated them. So this is about the review of this fan, and thank you very much for viewing my videos.